Hello, today I want to disassembly and clean an HP PC, HP Compaq 6200 Pro small factor. Sorry for that. Here is the power supply, the hard drive, the DVD and another slot for another hard drive. What you need for this disassembly, you need to remove these wires from here. Let me put this down for you to see better. Or I turn it this way. Take this out. You see there's a lot of dust here. Remove this. Here is where the CPU is. You should remove this too. Let me see how you can do that. Yeah. Take the front face off. There is a lot of dust. Need to find out a proper. No, head. This is not what I need for. So you need a pair of changeable screw heads, and this is a T15, a Torx screw with T15. Okay, thermal paste here, it's awfully solid. Use some paper towels. Some rubbing alcohol. And clean the CPU. I'm coming in 15 seconds. I want to clean this off before I mount it back. Okay, I have used dust can cleaner for this one as I need it to be fast. You need to remove this in order to clean it. I will show you after mounting the CPU. Clean the CPU missing from any residue paste on it. Okay, apply some thermal paste on it. Okay, sorry, I had to stop the video as my phone called. Clean the CPU. And watch for any remaining thermal paste there. After that, take a brush, a toothbrush, and clean your power source vents. Then you can take it out and blow all the dust inside the fan there. Okay, I will apply some thermal paste on the CPU. I always apply in a form of a blob because when I push it, it will spread all over the CPU. I think that is enough. Okay, I should have cleaned this part before mounting. Never mind, I will use a cleaner. Don't think it's oh my god, don't do what I just did. I can't remember how this was installed. And I believe in this way, like this. Okay. Don't tight this too hard or you cannot tie the others after that. Alright, after clean this. Let me put some stuff down as we don't need them. So after you have cleaned the CPU and everything is okay, I thought that this will push lower than it is now. Alright, take a brush and take the dust like this, and you can collect it without making a mess. Alright, I think this is enough. There is one plastic clip here that you need to push it down. There is one on this side and it snaps out of the place, looks like. I will put this on the table. So after you've done that, you can clean this up. Let's pretend that I clean it. I will not do that on video. After doing that, put it back here and push it to mount back in place. Plug it in the motherboard and put your fan air directioner, this plastic here, then put back all your cables and the door. This, oh, don't forget the front face. Take the door out, push the front face out in, and everything is done. I will not clean it on camera as it takes long and I don't want to cut and edit it. This is all you need to know on how to disassemble this particular model of HP Smartphone 6200 PC. Hope it helps you. I hope it helps you and you find this useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.